In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, we will see en signe de. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So, this lesson is about en signe de. And the preposition en signe de can be translated into as a token of, as a sign of, in a gesture of, as a mark of, and as an expression of in English. So we will see 4 sentences with en signe de. Ils ont offert des fleurs en signe de gratitude. Ils ont offert des fleurs en signe de gratitude. En signe de protestation, les étudiants ont organisé une marche. En signe de protestation, les étudiants ont organisé une marche. Elle a hoché la tête en signe d'approbation. Elle a hoché la tête en signe d'approbation. Les cloches sonnent en signe de deuil. Les cloches sonnent en signe de deuil.